when I was a little boy. Growing up to now, I love challenges. Taking something apart, when you can make it work again, it's satisfying. My team is involved in the construction outage coordination for projects. We are looking at the layout of the substation. We're looking at what equipment needs to be replaced within that project, what pieces of equipment needs to be added for circuit breakers, transformers, so switches, hot spots on switches. We go back to the office and making my outages match whatever's needing to be taken out or added to make our substations and our power more reliable. Each and every day is a challenge here at LCRA, and it's been that way going on 23 years. I really do enjoy it. And the people and the teams that I get to work with truly are family to me. I feel that I'm touching a part of Texas. My name is Chris Uptmore, in construction, planning and estimating team, and this is my office.